Whatnot refunds, how to get your money back. So received a damaged item or a package that never showed up. In this year, Whatnot's buyer protection is stronger than ever, but you have to act fast. And today I'm showing you the exact steps to file a claim and the evidence you need to guarantee your refund. So firstly, check the clock. This year, you must submit your request within 30 days of purchase, or 14 days of delivery, whichever comes first. If you wait longer, you lose your eligibility for a refund. Open the Whatnot app, go to your Activity tab, and select Purchases. Find the item that's giving you trouble. And then once you've selected the order, tap Get Help with this purchase. You'll see a list of reasons like item damaged, not as described, or counterfeit. Upload clear photos and, if possible, a video of you unboxing the item. High-value items over $500 now require video evidence to qualify for Whatnot's high-value reimbursement policy. And also this year, your request might go directly to the seller, and they have about 48 business hours to respond. They can offer a full refund, partial refund, or a replacement. If they don't respond or you don't agree with their solution, you can escalate the claim to Whatnot support with one tap. Whatnot will then investigate and make a final decision within 3 to 5 days. And if a return is required, Whatnot will email you a prepaid shipping label. You must drop the item off at the post office within 5 business days, or your refund request will be automatically cancelled. And this is how you protect your wallet on Whatnot. If this refund guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.